Hey, what's going on, guys? So recently I purchased this new standing desk by Uplift for my home office, and I've got a couple of monitors hooked up here, so I have three in total, and then I have my laptop connected to a little docking station, so that powers the setup. And one thing I noticed when I was putting this all together was I had wires from all these components dangling down below my desk. And as you can see, I've got them tucked up pretty well there so that they're not dangling down at all. But the problem was I first started off with just using some twisty ties and some tape to tape things to the bottom of the desk, but it didn't quite work very well. So I went onto Amazon and I found a cable management kit that helped me finish up my job and get everything looking really good. So let me give you a closer look at the kit that I bought and some of the pieces that I used. Okay, so here's the kit that I got off of Amazon. So let's go ahead and take the pieces out, take a little look at what we got. There we go. I like that they're all organized in their own little baggies. So it comes with these cable management sleeves. So I used two of them already, came with four total. But basically, they just kind of open up like that, and you can lay your wires in and organize them like that. So very handy. Then you get some zip ties. So there's some clips here that you can utilize zip ties with. I'll show you what those are. So these are those adhesive clips that you can use those zip ties with. So basically you just clip this up to the surface and then you can run your zip tie through there and organize your cables using these. They also give you some of these clips, and they have two different kinds. I use some of these to hold some bigger wires. And then they also have one that has some little dividers inside, so you can organize wires using that as well. Okay, and then they give you some of these Velcro rolls. So the thing I like about this one is you can use a small amount of Velcro, or if you need a long amount of Velcro, you can cut them to size. So really nice adjustable there. I ended up using quite a few of these. The reason why I like these has a little bit of a loop at the end, so I can kind of cinch them up. So these were really handy, so I use those quite a bit. Okay, and then this baggie, you have a couple of these little holders. So these are adhesive as well. So this one could hold two cables there. So this one can hold up to three, and you have a longer one. So nice assortment of these cable holders. Okay, and then you have a handful of these little clips. So these are nice for holding a single wire. And then you have some really much smaller ones. So these are for holding one single wire as well. There's our adhesive. Okay, you get some more of those. And then last here, we've got some Velcro straps that are adhesive. So you just use the adhesive, and then you can adjust the size of wire that goes through these based on how much of the Velcro you need. So very nice. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this kit. It did the job, got my wires organized just the way it needed to. So if you're looking for a cable management kit, check this one out.